Lab 2D basic safety circuits video demonstration. Here reset PB normally open and these two normally closed emergency stops and this normally open gate switch are parts of this safety system. When these push buttons aren't pressed and the gate switch is turned on, if I press reset PB, the system gets reset and the power light is turned on, indicating that the system is safe. Now if I press extend PB, the cylinder gets extended. If I press retract PB, the cylinder gets retracted. But if I press any of these buttons now, the power light will turn off and these buttons will not work. For example, if I press gate switch, light is turned off and these switches don't work. Likewise, if I press any of these e-stops, the system will not work. For example, if I press e-stop 2, light gets turned off and extend and retract solenoids do not work anymore. Similarly, if I press e-stop 1, the light will turn off and this won't work anymore. For example, press stop 1, light turned off. Now extend and retracts don't work anymore.